Located within the palmetto of the Vivero di Cholul, surrounded by palm trees with decades of history on the outskirts of Mérida, this complex was conceived as a productive retreat. Here, architecture and nature intertwine, fostering a lifestyle that goes beyond traditional housing, generating income and strengthening community ties. The volume follows a massive, grounded language with simple forms and sloped roofs that make cleaning easier, expand the spaces, and enhance thermal comfort. Its design emerged from mapping the existing trees and contour lines, overlaid on a modular grid used in previous interventions at the palmetto. This ensured harmony between buildings, courtyards, and vegetation, preserving the memory of the place. Inside, a spacious open-plan area combines living, kitchen, and dining. The shorter wing houses the master suite. The main house unfolds on a single level to preserve the unobstructed view of the palm grove. Retractable doors allow the space to expand toward a terrace open to the northeast, capturing breezes and natural light, complemented by a corner patio with a pool. The complex features a pocket park facing the street, 3 commercial units, with a possibility of integration, and access to a central courtyard that leads directly to the main house and to satellite rooms with terraces on the upper level. All materials reflect respect for the surroundings. Exterior floors in bush-hammered concrete, interior floors in polished concrete with marble accents, walls finished in burnished stucco pigmented with local soil, and regional cedar wood for doors, windows, and built-in furniture. Even the colors evoke the garden, wrapped in earthy and stony textures. The landscaping was enriched with native species that foster biodiversity, birds, insects, scents, flavors, and even aquatic gardens designed to attract wildlife and control insects, creating a fully immersive sensory environment. Miranda Palmeto challenges the idea of a house as an expense. By integrating commercial, residential, and community use, it stands as a housing solution that strengthens the family economy and redefines the role of the home as an active element in the urban fabric.